Hi, it's Jamie here. I just wanted to show you guys how to do the e-clean on your K8 in-home water ionizer. It's super easy, so I'm going to walk you through the steps. First off, you're going to turn it on and go to settings and hit e-cleaner, which is right there. And I always follow the instructions because it makes it easy and I don't forget anything. So I hit yes. So the first thing you're going to do is take this front piece off. And you're going to take out the electrolysis enhancer tank. And make sure if it's up on a shelf or something like mine is, you take this tank out prior to moving it. You never want to move your machine with the e-cleaning tank in. So you're going to put that over on the side. So this says you're going to pour your packets of e-cleaning powder into the cleaning tank. So if you have a newer machine, it came with about 4 or 6 of those packets. You're going to take 2 of them, pour them in here, and fill it up with water, just your regular tap water. I did the e-cleaning powder in this giant tub. So this is a half a cup. You put a half a cup and you fill it with water. What I like to do, and I did it to save some time here, is pour it in a jug and pre-mix it so it's easier to pour into here. So this is a half a cup of the e-cleaning powder mixed with just your regular water. And that should fill it all the way to the top. Whoop, a little bit more, a little bit much. We'll just, okay, pour that out. So, then you're going to take this little top and fasten it in there so that it is flush on the side. Now, you're going to say okay, because now we've got the water in the cleaning tank with the electrolysis enhancer powder, okay. I'm sorry, the e-cleaning powder. Hopefully you guys didn't get confused by that. Now, please insert the cleaning tank. So you're going to insert the cleaning tank back into there and press it in good and press OK. Please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Now your filter is located right over here. So all you're going to do is take that piece off. Now this is important to remember. What I like to do is you unscrew this piece right here, take that out, and then put it down just like you took it off. Otherwise, it gets confusing when you go to put it back in. Now you're going to take this filter out. It's going to drain a little bit of water. Make sure when you take it out that both these 2 O-rings are still attached. If they, for some reason, are left in here, it won't seal properly and water goes everywhere. I've done it before. It's not pretty. Also not a big deal, but try to make that not happen. So you're going to put your filter somewhere. Then you're going to hit, after it says, please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. This is your cleaning cartridge. So you're just going to go ahead and install that right there. Hit OK. And you're going to put this little guy back on here just like you did it the first time. And this is why it gets confusing, why you want to make sure that you put it on the ground just like you put it back in there. So now that's sealed. Now this says, please put the cap on the secondary hose. This is your cap. Secondary hose, you're just going to go ahead and put that right on there. Okay? You're going to hit OK and press start to begin cleaning. So, you have 3 hours. During that 3 hours, I recommend you go do something, go do your errands. Remember not to turn on your K8 machine. What I actually like to do is take a piece of tape, just as a reminder so I don't get absent-minded, and just kind of put it on there so I don't try to accidentally turn it on. And that's super easy. It does it all by itself. At the end of 3 hours, it will give you instructions on how to reverse this whole cycle, and then it'll be good to go for the next e-cleaning, which should be in about 3 weeks. If you have any questions, always reach out to me. And until then, thanks so much for listening.